Best Colorado City Skylines. In this series we will look at city skylines in each state. When you think of Colorado you are most likely to think of Denver. It has a recognizable skyline. The tallest buildings are over 700 feet. By way of comparison, the tallest buildings in the world are over 1,000 feet. Generally, to be considered a tall building the building must be at least 300 feet, or around 30 stories tall. We will look at these Colorado cities: Grand Junction, Boulder, Colorado Springs, Denver. We will end our city tour by looking at a unique and unusual site. These first three city skylines are not known for tall buildings. In many ways these cities serve as a foreground for a scenic natural backdrop. We will start with a city on what is considered the western slope of the Rockies. Grand Junction is located over 200 miles from Denver, near the Utah border. It sits in a valley surrounded by mesas. The color of the surrounding area is a sharp contrast to the look of the city. A well-known eastern slope city that sits in a valley, only about an hour from Denver, is Boulder. It is well known for being the home of the University of Colorado. The other well-known aspect of Boulder is the scenic view, as the city is surrounded by impressive mountains. Colorado Springs. Many consider the springs to be in the most beautiful of all settings in Colorado. The city is located at the base of Pikes Peak. This makes a skyline less impressive when you are competing with a mountain over 12,000 feet. By comparison, the Wells Fargo Tower stands at 247 feet and is Colorado Springs' tallest building. Denver. This capital city has a defined central skyline, made up with buildings topping 700 feet. The tallest building in Colorado, standing at 717 feet, is the Republic Plaza building. Another building topping 700 feet is the 1801 California building. The next and perhaps most unique building is the Wells Fargo Center, or is known by locals as the Cash Register Building. It tops out at 698 feet. The Denver skyline is dramatic both day and night. A downtown Denver landmark that can only be found here is the Big Blue Bear, located at the Convention Center. Very unusual sight in a downtown. Can you think of other structures or Colorado landmarks we should have covered? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Please like the video and subscribe as we add more travel highlights. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.